The Okinos Mirage 6 is not just another PC case, it's a statement piece. The fusion of genuine walnut wood with a high-performance chassis creates a unique aesthetic that seamlessly blends natural elegance with modern technology. This case is designed for those who appreciate both form and function, making it a standout addition to any workspace or gaming setup. One of the most impressive features of the Mirage 6 is its pre-installed cooling system. It comes equipped with four 120mm ARGB PWM fans, including 3 reverse blade fans at the bottom and 1 standard fan at the rear. These fans not only provide excellent airflow, but also add a vibrant touch with customizable ARGB lighting. The included ARGB controller, with 4 3-pin connectors, allows for easy synchronization with motherboard lighting effects, ensuring a cohesive and visually stunning build. The Mirage 6 utilizes a dual air intake channel design to optimize cooling performance. The bottom and side intakes, combined with the top exhaust, create a vertical airflow that efficiently dissipates heat. The addition of back intake vents further enhances cooling, ensuring that your components remain at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. In terms of connectivity, the Okinos Mirage 6 doesn't disappoint. It features a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, offering blazing fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Additionally, it includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a power switch with start and restart functions. The inclusion of ARGB fan control buttons allows for easy customization of lighting effects, putting you in complete control of your system's aesthetics. The case follows a mid-tower form factor and supports ATX motherboards, making it compatible with a wide range of components. The panoramic view tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your build, allowing you to showcase your hardware and lighting setup. The rear-mounted power supply design helps to keep the interior clean and organized, while also contributing to better airflow. The Okinos Mirage 6 is more than just a PC case. It's a fusion of art and technology. Its unique design, combined with its high-performance features, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a system that stands out from the crowd.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.